Hi everyone, welcome back to the BodyMaitre podcast. Today, we're diving into a powerful and often misunderstood topic inside spiritual response therapy, the conflict program. What is a conflict program? Where does it come from? How does it affect your four-body consciousness? Physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. And how can we expand the research using BodyMaitre to understand not just the energetic root, but how that conflict shapes your personality, your relationships, and your life choices? Let's explore this in depth. In spiritual terms, a conflict program is an internal energetic disagreement. Two parts of your consciousness wanting different things at the same time. You desire one outcome, yet another part of you rejects it. You take action towards something, yet another part pulls you back. In psychology, this resembles inner conflict, self-sabotage, or internal polarization. It's when your mind says, I want this, but your emotions say, I don't feel safe with this. Your body says, I'm not ready, and your spiritual consciousness holds imprints that contradict everything. Conflict programs keep you stuck in loops where you can't move forward, can't commit, or can't create harmony. In SRT, a conflict program is an energetic structure stored in the subconscious and soul records. It forms when opposing beliefs, desires, experiences, or vows clash with one another. This program can come from past life experiences, early childhood conditioning, karma, soul lessons, traumas, cultural and religious influences, contracts or agreements, imprints from parents or past relationships. The conflict program functions like an energetic tug of war inside your consciousness. You aren't blocked by external forces, you're blocked by two internal forces pulling in opposite directions. Conflict programs create patterns such as wanting love but resisting intimacy, wanting abundance but fearing responsibility, wanting freedom but fearing change, wanting success but fearing failure, wanting harmony but needing control, wanting connection but pushing people away. The result is confusion, mixed signals, inconsistent behavior, relationship friction, emotional instability, self-doubt, sabotage cycles. Without clearing, these conflicts shape your personality and become part of your identity. Here are common examples. I want to be loved, but I'm scared of being hurt. I want to succeed, but I'm afraid I'll fail. I want connection, but I don't trust people. I want change, but I fear losing what I have. I want independence, but I fear loneliness. These contradictions create emotional tension, energetic blocks, and spiritual disharmony. Let's move into a real case study from a client who wanted to work on his relationship challenges. He deeply wanted to be in a loving relationship, but he found it extremely difficult to fall in love, trust, or commit. Even though he longed for emotional closeness, he would withdraw or lose interest when intimacy deepened. When we examined him using SRT plus BodyMaitre, we found a conflict program highly active across his four-body consciousness. Here are the findings. Physical body, dislike of being driven, resisting the flow of life. Emotional body, discontented. Mental body, fear of failure. Spiritual body, sticky images, negative imprints. Now, let's break down each of these in detail and how they relate to the conflict program. In the physical body consciousness, he carried the energy of, I don't want to be controlled. I need independence. I feel pressured easily. If I commit, I'll lose my freedom. This resistance shows up as pushing away life, especially relationships that require cooperation, flexibility, compromise, or emotional merging. For him, being in a relationship automatically triggered a physical body memory of being with someone means losing myself. This becomes part of the conflict program because he wants love, but his physical body believes love equals pressure, control, and loss of freedom. So the conflict emerges as start-stop attraction, hot-cold behavior, avoidance when things get too close, resistance to intimacy, feeling trapped. This physical body resistance becomes a personality trait. Aloofness, independence, emotional distance, guardedness. The emotional body held the vibration of discontent. This means feeling emotionally unfulfilled, feeling something is always missing, feeling disconnected even in a relationship, feeling dissatisfied even when the partner does nothing wrong. This emotional discontent is part of the conflict program because he wants closeness, but when closeness arrives, the emotional body feels uncomfortable, bored, or dissatisfied. So emotionally, he gets stuck in restlessness, emotional numbness, emotional shutdown, lack of fulfillment, overthinking, is this the right person? This emotional pattern shapes his personality as someone hard to satisfy emotionally, someone who feels love is never enough, someone who gets easily disinterested in romantic partners, someone who stays distant even when wanting love. The mental body energy was fear of failure. This means fear the relationship won't work, fear of making the wrong choice, fear of heartbreak, fear of being judged, fear of repeating past mistakes. The mind is projecting the worst case scenario in advance. This creates conflict because he wants to connect, but his mental body says, if this fails, you will suffer again. So he protects himself by avoiding commitment, keeping relationships shallow, overthinking every step, waiting for the perfect person, sabotaging relationships early. Mentally, this shapes his personality as cautious, guarded, extremely analytical, fear-based decision-making, perfectionistic in love. The spiritual body held old breakup trauma, past life heartbreak imprints, parental relationship imprints, karmic bonds, fear of love patterns. These sticky images act like energetic flashbacks. Every new relationship triggers an old memory. Rejection, betrayal, loss, pain, abandonment. These spiritual imprints strongly feed the conflict program because he wants a new relationship, but his spiritual body is still living in the emotional memories of the past. These memories tell him love is dangerous. Love equals pain. Don't trust anyone. Spiritually, this molds his personality as emotionally cautious, slow to open, difficulty trusting, hard to commit, always expecting disappointment. Let's put it all together. Physically, he resists losing freedom. Emotionally, he feels easily dissatisfied. Mentally, he fears the relationship will fail. Spiritually, he carries negative love memories. When these four bodies combine, the conflict program becomes, I want love, but I don't trust love. I want connection, but I'm afraid to commit. I want intimacy, but intimacy triggers my fears. I want a partner, but I feel unsafe when things get too close. This creates a personality pattern of pull-push behavior, emotional unavailability, difficulty bonding deeply, attraction fading quickly, fear of commitment, wanting love but rejecting it, longing for closeness yet resisting vulnerability. This is the perfect blueprint of an SRT conflict program manifesting through the four bodies with BodyMaitre. We don't only identify the conflict, we track how each body participates, how each body reinforces the conflict, and how these energies have molded the personality. BodyMaitre helps expand the research by showing the source of the resistance, how each body stores the conflict, what emotional, mental, spiritual imprints are still active, how these patterns create physical responses, how the four bodies influence decisions and desires, how to clear or harmonize the disharmony. When cleared, the four bodies return to unity, and the person can finally open to love, allow emotional closeness, trust again, commit without fear, attract healthier partners, experience relationship flow instead of conflict. Conflict programs aren't mistakes, they're signals. signals that different parts of your consciousness have different needs, fears, and memories. With the dowsing research and the help of spirits, we clear the root programs and understand how the 4 bodies respond to them, how they shape personality, and how they influence your everyday behavior. When the 4 bodies come back into alignment, your heart opens, your mind relaxes, your emotions stabilize, and your spirit finally feels safe to love again. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of the conflict program through the lens of SRT and BodyMaitre. If you found this helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more transformational topics. Until next time, take good care of your 4 bodies.